Hey B.
Hi.
What time did you go to sleep?
2 something.
I went to sleep at like 4:30.
Ooh.
Okay, ready for some 11 a.m. tennis?
Around this day to keep my life.
Alright, goodbye Sarasota tennis court. Bye. Alright, back from tennis. It's time to shower. Pancakes and hot dogs. And some eggs. And some spam.
We're going to the beach.
Whoa, what a big breakfast. There's a big bug in the car. Is it gone? Is it gone?
No, he's there.
Is it dead?
Yeah.
Alright, we are here in St. Petersburg. Are you okay, B? Whoa! It's empty and it's so nice. Whoa, guys! Yeah, B! It's clear! Wow! St. Petersburg. Hello. It's a castle. Alright, we're all set up here. I'm gonna go in the water. But oh my gosh, I forgot my GoPro at back at the house. So, no water video this time. Alright, we're at a pool. At the pool. Alright guys, we're just at the pool. Maya blew up. Man, those birds are weird. It doesn't look like they have eyes. Where are your eyes? Huh? Who wants this? Oh, P. Oh my gosh. Can be there. Yeah. Oh my gosh. You got. Oh my gosh, something was inside Brendan's shell that he found. Nice shell too, V. I wish it was empty. Maya! Hi, Maya! Hi! Oh my gosh, hi! That was good! Alright, goodbye, beach, Florida. St. Petersburg finale. Till next time. Rainbow. Whoa, you can see the whole entire rainbow. That's big. That's cool. That's 51.12.
He wants mom.
I can hold the cup holder. You guys not have cup holders?
Okay, we're home. This is our last night, guys.
And mine's gone.
This is our last night. I don't want to go yet. How long does it take to make?
Hey.
Let's eat, B.
No.
What the? I'm eating. You good, B?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Oh, come on.
Dinner. Dinner time.
Dinner. The real dinner time.
Whoa. Alright, I just finished dinner. Time to shower. Alright, I think it's time to end the vlog.
Woohoo!
Goodbye, game room. Bye.